In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Costco Citi card to Google Wallet using the Citi mobile app. To get started, open the Citi mobile app on your phone and sign in to your account. Before you begin, make sure you're using the correct mobile device for the wallet setup, since the card will be added directly to Google Wallet on that phone. It also helps to have your app updated to the latest version so everything appears as expected and the process runs smoothly. Once you're logged in, look for the Services section inside the app. From there, go to Card Management. This area gives you access to important options related to your card, including digital wallet features. When you find the option labeled Add to Digital Wallet, tap on it to continue. This will take you to the section where you can connect your eligible card to a supported mobile wallet. Next, choose Google Pay or Google Wallet as your digital wallet option. The exact wording may vary slightly depending on your device or app version, but you'll want to select the Google Wallet option available on the screen. After that, choose your Costco Citi card from the list of cards connected to your account. If you have more than one Citi card, take a moment to confirm you're selecting the correct one before moving on. Now review the card details shown on the screen and make sure everything looks correct. This step is important because it confirms that the right card is being added to your wallet. Once you're ready, follow the on-screen prompts to complete the activation process. Depending on your setup, you may be asked to verify your identity or approve the request through a confirmation screen. Just continue through each prompt carefully until the app confirms that activation is complete. After the setup finishes, your Costco Citi card should be available in Google Wallet and ready to use for eligible contactless payments. If the card doesn't appear right away, give the app a moment to refresh or open Google Wallet directly to check whether the card has been added successfully. And that's it. By going through the Citi mobile app, then Services, Card Management, and Add to Digital Wallet, selecting Google Wallet, choosing your Costco Citi card, and confirming the prompts, you can complete the setup in just a few moments.